Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have WordPress and admin access. Install Content Egg and activate it. Next, enable the module for your desired networks and paste API or affiliate keys into the module settings. Once done, set global defaults like currency, language, and caching to avoid inconsistent results. Make sure to enable automatic updates for the plugin. Finally, test a single search from the plugin interface to confirm connectivity before you proceed to building templates and feeds. You now build a template for product imports. Start by selecting which modules will populate that template and the search keywords you want to use. Map key fields so your theme displays title, price, image, and the affiliate link correctly, and set ranking or sorting rules. Once mapped, apply filters for price range, shipping options, or product condition to eliminate poor matches. Test with a sample search and review imported items in a draft post to confirm that images, prices, and links render as expected. You're ready to publish. Attach the template to posts or automatic channels and schedule updates for price and availability so content stays fresh. Once published, enable caching and a CDN to handle traffic spikes and ensure affiliate links use tracking parameters. If something goes wrong, check API limits or expired keys first, then review Content Egg logs for module errors and disable conflicting plugins temporarily. Finally, clear caches and rerun a sync. These steps usually resolve missing images, incorrect prices, or failed imports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.